So we're going to do the WeVideo project. We go to the WeVideo.com website, click in the top right corner, there's a WeVideo sign-in, click Google, click your name. You may have to click continue, sometimes you don't have to, but that's where we go. So we're going to click create. Oh, this is the menu for the front page, and you've got classes, which I'm not going to use, assignment ideas. This I think is just for teachers. Projects, uploads, and exports are available for everyone. There's a drop-down list, which you don't have to use. Let's do just create, and that's going to create a project. Let's go up here and change it to your name, and click out. First thing we do is click text, and we'll go to the title text, and I'm going to say, pick one with 2 or 3 lines. This is fine. You can click it and it'll show you what it looks like in the motion. This is a little bit difficult for titles, but it's okay in between sections on the video. So this would work. I'm going to drag this down to the video timeline. Now, if you want to edit this, you would double click it. And your name. And I would actually add the year. All right, then you click done when you're up here. You can also change the font size. You can change the font, but that's where we are right now. You can change the palette and change how things look. We're going to just click done. Now the next part, we're going to go back out of the titles, and I want to show you captions. Captions are places that you can put text that describe things. Actually, I'm going to go and I'm going to change this. It's an animal report. We'll say the name of your animal. And yeah, like that. That works. Okay. And when we're down here, we're going to, let's drag down to the text file, double click. Talking about habitat. And click done. I'm going to do another one. You can do it different ones for each, but I wouldn't do that. Let's go to the next one. Double click, double click. And the question. And click done. And double click. And click done. And we're doing these mainly near the bottom, just in case we want to have, and I'm going to change, let's see, I'm going to go to 5 seconds, roughly 5 seconds. I want these to be roughly 5 seconds too, so I'm trimming this to 5 seconds. And I'm going to do one more. Drag this one down, double click. And click done. And is this one the right length? About 5 seconds. And it's kind of hard to get exactly that. Now we're going to go to images and search for gorilla. We're going to use gorilla pictures that are actually real pictures, not these cartoons. And we could actually do a video of a gorilla. This is 17 seconds, so well, let's do one that's a little bit smaller. I'm going to put it right here, and it's going to say insert and push. Okay. I'm going to go down here, drag this over here, drag this over here. And I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. If I look over here, it says 33.12 seconds, so that's not quite short enough. Drag this. That's a little bit too much. And I'm watching this number off to the right. I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. So I just clicked this until I saw I was just going 1 second at a time. I'm going to make these each a little bit. Well, actually, this is probably pretty good. Let's make this a little bit longer, all the way to the end. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can go back to the beginning. And now I'm going to do audio. I'm going to do similar audio, trimming similarly. So I'm going to click one that's longer. Let's do this. I'm going to zoom out because this is way too long. I'm going to trim this all the way to that. And I'm going to right click, show audio level. I'm going to click a little audio dot just a little bit before. I'm going to drag this down to make it a little bit faded out. So we've got 30 seconds. Now we've trimmed it. The last thing we do is transitions. And if you click here, it shows you what they do. Cross zoom, dip to white, dip to black. I like the dip to black to at the end of it. So I'm going to just scroll down. You can see a few of these. And drag this down. Put a few transitions between the pictures. This actually should go to the edge. And then let's do a dip to black right at the end. Okay. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to click, well, we've got two more things to do. I'm going to click here. And you would put your teacher's email address. Click one and click copy. And then invite. And then you would export. And we're going to have a video. Let's make it HD. We'll connect Google Drive. I've already done that, so I don't have to do it. But if you click the connect button that's going to be here, because you haven't done it yet, then you'll get a couple of questions about whether or not you care if Google Drive looks at your WeVideo project, and that's part of what you're going to do. And then click export. Before I do that, I will do that. I'm going to go back here. Done. My projects. This is it. I'm going to view it. Oh, I can't do that. Okay. edit. And when you're here and you click this link, then we go over to Google, click the copy link, and you could also go over to Google Classroom and attach that link in the assignment and turn it in from there.